Hey, this is Roxy, and Scrubby and I were out garage sailing today, and we were actually just get out of there. We were actually just going to get something to eat, and we're driving down this Smith Avenue in West St. Paul, and there was a yard that had all this stuff in front of it, and it said free, and I noticed this typewriter. And I yelled, "Typewriter, pull over," and we left a lot of stuff, but this is what we got. We got a cool Royal typewriter and a Santa, and the box is from Dayton's, which is a long-standing department store here. Our governor is Mark Dayton from the family. But anyways, and then 2 really cool coffee pots, and a wire basket that I'm going to use in my art lair, and a printer's tray, or printer's drawer. So I'm going to use that. I don't know if I'm going to use it for storage or maybe make a cool collage out of it or something, because it's pretty cool. But anyway, so that's all our goodies, and we didn't spend a red cent. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.